What is good, YouTube? I'm the Session. You see, I got all these cards and they're beautiful, huh? But guess what? I'm going to tell you my 3 favorite credit cards, and I'm going to show you they're for beginners. I hope you stay tuned because guess what? I'm medicated. Let's get to it. You did. What is good, world? It is your boy, The Session. I'm here looking lovely. Got my cards. You can't see those because they got info on them. You see? Real elegant, real luxurious. The hair. Oh my goodness, look at that shape up. Yes, indeed. Wow, huh? I don't know where you are, where you're from, what you got going on, but I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. You're doing fucking excellent, but guess what? You can always do better. Today, we have a video showing my top 3, pardon me, I had to burp, my top 3 credit cards for beginners. And what I need you to do is hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and we're not gonna waste no time with these folks. We've been getting to it. I know y'all haven't seen my beautiful face in a couple of days because what I'm doing is restructuring. I've been working on this course so that you can monetize your business, your brand, and grow it on social media from your phone to earn passive income. That's what I've been working on. So I know you haven't seen me, but I've decided, you know what, YouTube, you know what y'all care most about is financial literacy. So that's what I'm going to be bringing to you. So without further ado, let me bring you card numero uno. Okay, at card number 1, we have Quicksilver. I can't show you this because it has my information on it, but Quicksilver is a dope card. This is by Capital One. Yes, I've said it. Capital One has a lot of dope cards, and you will see them mentioned, maybe a few times throughout this video. So the Quicksilver card, the full title of it is called the Quicksilver Secured Rewards Card from Capital One. Now, I'm going to tell you some facts about it, and I'm going to give you some tips. And I want you to remember, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just giving you some game. So you can earn 1.5 cash back on every purchase with a refundable $200 minimum deposit. All right, so what you also can do is you can go to this website and you can click to see if you are pre-approved right now. It's very quick. I'm talking about within minutes. You'll know if you've been approved or not. And then you simply can go forward and fill out the form and everything right from your computer screen. And so what you're going to do is you're going to make a deposit when you open your account. You simply make a $200 deposit and your account will open with an initial credit line of $200. Deposit more, raise your credit line. You can raise your initial line by depositing more than the minimum up to a maximum limit before activating your card. Use your card responsibly. Get your deposit back with reasonable card use. Like making payments on time, you could earn back your deposit and upgrade to an unsecured Quicksilver card. So essentially, what I take away from this is a secure card for me acts like a debit card. It's whatever you put on it is what you can use. So what I do with my card is I do not use it. I don't spend anything on it. And as I continue to build income, what I'm going to do is put more money than I owe on that card to hopefully raise the credit line. And that's just something I've done. By me not using it, my credit has went up. I will be making videos, monitoring that as I approach 700. So this is Capital One Quicksilver card. Let me know in the comments if any of you have used this card, if you know anything about it that I've missed. But I just wanted to give you kind of a brief breakdown about the card. And one of the pluses that you can get a mobile app that you use right on your phone. Hopefully you got an iPhone. If you want green text, go ahead and get an Android. But you can use an app right on your phone, and it's going to let you scroll through, monitor your cards. You can see how much money you spent. You can see how much money or room is left on the card and what your credit line is. And you can even apply for a credit line increase right from the Capital One app. So Quicksilver card is the first one. Okay, people, at numero dos, we have another Capital One card. This one is the Platinum MasterCard. Now, what the Platinum MasterCard is, this is a card for people who have fair credit that are improving their credit and on their way up. This is a great card. Around every 6 months, you can apply for a credit line increase, which is a blessing. And it comes with a couple other things here. They have some account management things that you can have, automatic credit line reviews, proactive account alerts, personalized payment, auto pay. You can add authorized users, balance transfer, and 24/7 customer service. One thing I will say about Capital One, based on my experience, even if something goes, maybe not correct or whatever, you can get someone on the phone. And that's one thing I do love about credit lines like these. Okay, and you're going to be able to have premier access. You're going to be able to use Capital One Entertainment. That's something they have. You can enjoy different events for music, Capital One Dining, and you just click these links to explore where everything's come from. You can check the website out. They have a lot of different incentives to make you purchase and check out this card. One thing I will say with this card, My credit line initially was about $1,000. It's going to be anywhere from $500 to $1,000. So just keep that in mind. Make sure you pay before it's due. That's something I would definitely tell you to keep in mind. It's pretty straightforward. And again, you can use this seamlessly through the Capital One application right there on your phone, your smartphone of choice. I recommend installing this app of whatever card you decide immediately, because you can get set up and you can get all of your payments and statements here and figure everything out here, as opposed to go to a bank or get something mailed to you. So number 2, we have the Capital One Platinum. And what you need to also do is make sure you go to Capital One's website. They're going to tell you some of their benefits and bonuses for signing up with their cards. They do have cashback programs and different things you can get, as I showed you with the dining, the music events, and so on and so forth. All right, and last but certainly not least, I do not have this card, but this is the Discover It secured card, okay? So this is called the Discover It secured card. This card is highly reviewed. I've watched a few videos on this. I know somebody who has this card. This would have been the card I would have actually applied for if I didn't already have a Capital One card. I would not have got Quicksilver maybe first. I would have looked to get Discover. But since I have everything in one house right now, I'm keeping everything at Capital One. I've been able to increase my credit limits on both my business and my personal lines. So I'm definitely grateful there. But this is the Discover It card. As you see right here, this has plenty of reviews. And it's very similar to the other secure card as to whatever you put on it, that's what you're going to be able to use. But let me read you some of the things about it. You get a real credit card with no annual fee. You provide a refundable security deposit when you apply. So you have to start at least $200 minimum. Put that $200 in. If you don't use it, it doesn't go anywhere. It doesn't impact your credit negatively. Your secured credit card can help you build credit responsibly. Smart habits like paying all your bills on time and each in full can help you build credit with responsible use. And you get your deposit back. After 7 months, we begin automatically account reviews to see if you qualify to convert to a standard unsecured card and get a deposit back. Here are some of the incentives for using the Discover It card. You get 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants up to $1,000 in purchases. You get 1% cash back on all other purchases automatically. So just by purchasing and using this card, you're going to get 1% cash back. And then you get a 2%, then you get a 2x cash back with cashback match. This is an unlimited dollar for dollar match of all the cash back you've earned at the end of the first year automatically. You get 2 times that back. So these are some of the amazing incentives that you can get by getting the Discover It card. These cards don't require high credit or, if any, credit scores to be able to get them. So that's why I want to bring these to you for beginners, whether you be people that are in high school, whether you be people in college, whether you just be a person like myself who had to improve his credit. I took so many risks to start a business. I impacted my credit by not being able to make payments on time and not just paying attention to, things that I had to take care of. So this video is for you. These cards are for you. Let me know which one of your favorite. We have 2 Capital Ones and 1 Discover card. That's going to do it for today's video. Again, in the comments, drop below. Let me know what card you like of these. Do you have another card that's good for beginners? Let me know. I'm always here to learn. I'm always here to teach. The course will be out, people. Make sure you stay tuned for that. We got the Confident Brain ebook out. It's been going crazy. Y'all been buying it left and right. I appreciate you because a lot of y'all want to be confident. Every day we go live 9:45 a.m. on TikTok. Make sure you tune in. Make sure you tap in. Until next time, beautiful people, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I am The Session. Stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. You did.